Hello, I figured out how to make buttons and it took me forever to figure it out, so watch this to do it faster. Okay, I decided I needed a big old button at the top of my homepage in Canvas so my kids could click it to find our class. So let me make this small. So you'll need to go to Google Drawings. You can go to drawings.new, go to Google Drawings to make your button. Mine's very simple because I'm not a creative person. You know, it holds shift to make it a perfect circle, so it's not all like ovally. I'm gonna make my button red, and then I'm gonna have some text in it. I'll say join WebEx here. Let's make that white so they can see it. That's the border. Here we go. Sorry, my face was in the way. Join WebEx here. Let's make that big. Even bigger. Too big. Almost there. We'll make our button bigger. And the size doesn't really matter. We can fix it when we are actually in Canvas. And you know what? I need it to be in this upper corner. I've only done this once. I'm not an expert. But you know what? If you've done it 0 times, I know more than you. So let's try this. And then resize this. Otherwise, all that white space shows up in your Canvas and it gets all weird. I'm going to make a big old border. I think that might make it nice. Join WebEx here. That looks like a button, right? Okay, so we're going to name this Join Button. All right, and we're going to go to File. Where do we go? Publish to the web. It'll say, are you sure? We're sure. We're going to publish that. We are sure. Okay, we're going to copy that. And then we're going to go to Canvas and find our Canvas course. This one. This is not the right one. Where did Canvas go? Oh, here it is. Okay, I made one for on level. I haven't made one for AP yet, so this will be their button. Okay, and I want mine on, oh, I did make it for AP. It's on level that needs a button. Okay, you go to your class, you look at the homepage. Did I put it in both? Weird. No, I didn't put it in AP. Okay, so we are going to resize this so you can see everything I'm doing. We're going to edit our homepage so this button appears on the homepage. I want mine to be right under here. There's a big ol' friggin' button right there. Okay, so we're going to go to Insert, Image. We're going to upload our image. It's a URL. There's probably other ways to do it, but I figured out this way. So we're going to paste that link that we copied from the Google Drawings. Big button. I kind of like it that size. But if you want to resize it and make it subtle, you can. I'm not going for subtle. And then to make it actually work, we need to insert a link. If you're fancy, you can do Control K. I'm not that fancy. So then we need to go to WebEx to get the link to your WebEx meeting. Find your little thing, hit Control C to copy that, and then Control V to put it here so that your button actually is a functional button. And then we will scroll down and save. And then you can test your button and make sure it works. Okay, join WebEx here. Boom. Oh, my face is going to show up twice. This is not okay. Okay, that's how you make a join WebEx button. Hope that helped someone.